Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing the all pink makeup challenge. This is something that I saw Graveyard Girl / Bunny do on her channel, I think maybe like a year ago, but then I just saw Shan XO do it and I was like, you know what, I want to try that because pink is a color I kind of use as accent color, but I don't really use to do like a full look with. So that is what we're going to do today. And if you hear a lot of background noise, it's because I have my window open because I literally, like, I'm 90% sure I have a fever right now. I literally think I'm getting sick. We're going to talk about some stuff. We're going to catch up and we're going to do this challenge. For this, I don't have enough, like, pink makeup to do, like, a full face, and it wouldn't work at all. Anything that is pink or has pink packaging is what I'm going to use today. So I do have a pink. It's Impkin or Ipkin. I'm not 100% sure how you pronounce it, but we're going to use this. This is like a dewy primer, so we're going to put this on. This primer, it is kind of hard to tell. It is pink though. I promise when I put it on my skin, you'll see it's going to be pink. Hopefully you can see that's kind of pink. I wanted to shout out some ladies that I have been watching on YouTube. All of which subscribe to me, and that's kind of how I found them, but I'm actually genuinely enjoying their content. So we have so the first one was recommended to me by my old roommate, and her name is Caitlin. Going to butcher her last name, I'm so sorry. It's like Kreklowicz, but she does amazing creative and Halloween makeup. She did the Next Face Awards and I think she got like at least through the first round, so maybe more, but yeah, she's great. She does fitness videos now, she does makeup videos, lots of reviews on some really cool like weird products, so yeah, go check her out. Then we have Jamelyn Hammond, hopefully I'm pronouncing your name right. She's super cool. Lots of different kinds of videos. She does like makeup, lifestyle, haul. I'm going to go in with my next product, which is the Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation, because the packaging is metallic pink. So we're gonna dab some of this on. Oh, I just got foundation on my pants. But yeah, she's super cool. Her St. Patrick's Day makeup was gorgeous. I fully don't think this girl does this intentionally, but her channel name is Georgia's Glam, and she has an accent. I'm not quite sure where she's from. I don't know if she's from Australia or the UK. I feel like she's from the UK by some of the makeup that she uses, but I'm not sure. But anyway, her voice is so relaxing. Her makeup collection videos are like ASMR to me. Those are the three that I've kind of been watching, and I think they're all, other than Caitlin, I think everyone's under 1,000 subscribers. Georgia might be over 1,000, but yeah, they're super cool, and I enjoy people who contribute to like a sense of community. So like, there are people who subscribe to me and have stayed subscribed, so now I'm going in with the same Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer because the packaging is also pink. So, but all the people I mentioned I will have linked down below so you can check out their channels. Kind of vague on telling you guys some stuff. Like I said, that there was potentially things happening where I can make more videos, and now that is solidified. There is a fire truck going by. So hopefully you can still hear me over the fact that it sounds like the whole city's burning down outside. I am going to be finishing college online. I'm doing my senior year from home, so I will be moving. There's a lot more opportunity at home for me, entry level wise, than there is here in New York for what I want to do. For brows, I'm going to use the Goof Proof pencil, and if you look very closely, the words are pink. So yeah, online schooling is going to be my route. I will still attend graduation, and I will still be a full-time student. I will still get a bachelor's degree in journalism, and I will still be going to be a sports writer. But there's just a lot more opportunity for internships at home right now. So that is what I'm gonna be doing. My 200 subscriber giveaway ends tomorrow, so make sure you enter. I will be drawing everybody tomorrow, so keep a lookout on your Twitter, on your Instagrams, whatever you followed me on, because I will be getting in contact with you. For primer, I'm just using a little bit of concealer because I do not have a pink base. But I feel like I'm in a way better place than I was in October. If you saw my video all about being defeated, I feel like I was making the wrong choices. So I feel like we're back on track. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and go into a white peach. I'm doing a light just wash of white peach to set everything, since the packaging itself is kind of pink. I'm counting it. And we just want to set everything with those powders and also highlight under my brow bone a little bit. Now I'm going in with the color Georgia, and this is going to be our transition shade. So yeah, other than that, I've been going to the gym a lot, focusing on fitness, because my wedding is like 100 days away, which is slightly scary, but I'm very excited for that. So in July, I will be a married woman. I probably sound unenthusiastic, but I promise you I'm not. I'm just focusing on doing my makeup. So yeah, I'm getting married, which is wild. If you guys don't know, I'm 21. My fiance he's been on this channel, and he will be on this channel more soon. But he is 20, and he will be 21 by the time we get married. I'm only a few months older than him. Using the same brush, I'm going to go into Taste Buds out of the Thirsty palette. Yeah, we've been doing all the wedding stuff. It's been hard because we are long distance. He is back home, I am here, and basically we've been using FaceTime to plan our wedding, which is a lot harder than it sounds, because meeting with vendors and stuff is kind of like, it's all kind of on him and like my mom and stuff. Okay, for the lid, I'm going into the Wild and Alluring palette. I got this Winky 213 eye shading brush in a Birchbox, which is exciting. I'm going to take this pink shade here. Just putting this on like the inner half of my eye, because I'm going to use this darker shade on the outer half. So yeah, I am excited to be married and actually live near Sean, because we have been so separated for so long. Okay, so the lids probably look very unexciting, but it's because I'm going to be doing an ombre liner with 2 liquid lipsticks. This is Watermelon Soda and Rose Madder from Jeffree Star. So the first one I'm going to use is Rose Madder. And now to finish it off, I'm going to take the same brush so the colors will kind of naturally mix, and use Watermelon Soda. For bottom lashes, I'm going to use the NYX Color Mascara in pink. Nothing like right or wrong. I am going to use some glitter glue to punch up these eyes a little bit because they're a little dull. Not gonna lie, they're not giving it to me. So I like the liner. I think the ombre is pretty, but I want glitter. So the glitter glue has pink on it right here. So And it's pink itself, so loophole. Closest thing to pink lashes I have are these Demi Wispies, and they have little wine colored inserts, so I'm gonna pop these on, and my lash glue is clear, not pink, so there's like two things that aren't pink. For blush, I'm going to use Tango from Hikari. I'm gonna bring it back to like cheat a contour. Kind of look like a clown, but I'm down with it. I'm gonna use Bella Bomba as a highlight because it's just a bit lighter. So I put some in my hairline to kind of give that like extra flush, but I'm just gonna go over it a little bit on the tops and the hairline with my concealer and foundation. Sponge, like no extra product here, just bouncing it to give it just like more of a natural look. But I kind of like the pink in the hairline. I think it brings like a little extra dimension to my face. I use the NYX lip pencil in Jolly Pink. And with Crystallized Metal from NYX. To set the look, I have rose water. This is the Mario Badescu rose water, so I'm just gonna spray it on down. And this is the finished product. I think it's actually super cute. I feel very doll-like, I feel very creative, I feel very colorful, which is what you can expect from me now on, kids. So if you guys liked this video, make sure you subscribe, and make sure I can't talk. Make sure you subscribe to all the wonderful ladies that I mentioned in the beginning of this video, all of which will be linked down below, and enter my giveaway for the last chance because the winner will be drawn tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.